Next on the agenda, Dr. Nipun Jindal was unable to join us due to prior commitments, but he has nominated Dr. Gopal Chauhan, and we're very fortunate to have Sir here. Sir is the State Program Officer NCDs of National Health Mission Himachal Pradesh and is an alumni of the prestigious Johns Hopkins University, USA. Dr. Chauhan is the implementer of an integrated digital approach for NCDs prevention and control in Himachal Pradesh. He is the technical resource person for NCDs, tobacco control, and SDGs with many organizations, including International Union Against TB and Lung Diseases, New Delhi, and Johns Hopkins University, USA. Sir is the member of the expert committee notified by Government of India for the NCDs in 2021. Sir is extensively published, has more than 20 publications to his credit, and has presented numerous papers at international and national conferences, including USA, UK, France, Spain, Netherlands, Bangkok, UAE, and Nepal. Sir has many key achievements to his credit, such as the WHO Zero Award for Tobacco Control in 2012, the Prime Minister Digital Innovation Award 2018 for NCDs, the state awarded him the second best in NPCDCS in 2019. The state was awarded the second best. The state was ranked in the top in India in NPCDCS review done by GOI, WHO, and AIMS in 2019. And many key innovations are credited to him, such as the integrated approach for NCDs prevention and control, decentralized chemotherapy and palliative care, health promoting educational institutions, and tobacco-free panchayats. And I welcome you today, sir. And thank you so much for your availability and being able to deliver the second keynote address for this national webinar. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much for the detailed introduction. And I have not much to say today because we have to listen the experts from ILBS New Delhi and from PGIMR Chandigarh. But in context with the topic today, we are fortunate that the state of Himachal Pradesh will be taking forward the agenda of inclusion of NAFLD in the ongoing NPCDCS program. We generally focus on district and sub-district level institutions. But fortunately in the state of Himachal Pradesh, we are having a very good liaison with the medical colleges, all 6 medical colleges in the state, but especially I am thankful to all the faculty and the teachers of Medical College Shimla, implementation and designing and guiding us for the various programs in the state. We are happy that we are doing some surveillance in the state for as far as the NCDs are concerned, but we are concerned also that there is a sharp rise in the obesity as far as the surveillance is concerned. It may be the National Health Family Survey Report 5 and the electronic surveillance being conducted by the state of Himachal Pradesh. As of now, I would like to say that as far as the NPCDCS program implementation in the state of Himachal Pradesh is concerned, we are doing a surveillance, and we are not only doing the screening of plus 30 population, but we have a Mukhyamantri Nirog Yojana in Himachal Pradesh, where we are doing the annual screening of plus 18 population in the state as a part of the continuum of care plan. I would like to say that out of that, we have screened more than 23 lakh people in the state. We have the demographic profile. We have the risk assessment of those people, how many are smokers, how many are having obesity, how many are the alcohol users, what is the percentage of unhealthy diet, and what is the prevalence of the various diseases among the people. But it's not enough. Recently, we have included the CKD program, COPD program in the NPCDCS. But as a whole, our surveillance part is very strong in the state of Himachal Pradesh. And I would like to say that we will be covering the entire 18 plus population, which is around about 43 lakhs in the state of Himachal Pradesh by next, I think, 1.5 years. Because 23 lakhs has already been included in our software, which is known as electronic health card. Now coming to the management part. We have set up the decentralized chemotherapy units in 11 districts, and more than 4,000 chemotherapy cycle has been given there. We are functional, and more than 1.65 lakh dialysis session has been conducted so far in the last 4 years. We have the palliative care units, which is the unique initiatives, and we have set up 8 palliative care units in the state in last 2 years. Now we have 19 stroke care units, and more than 500 thrombolysis has been given. In last year, as per the announcement of the Honorable Chief Minister, we have set up 10 integrated neuro clinics in district level hospitals, where all the referred patients of the NCDs from the district and sub-district hospital will be taken care, and they will be acting as the gatekeeping sort of system for the specialist, and most of the NCDs will be managed there. We are doing the chemotherapy at district level and the cervical cancer screening, as well as cryotherapy. We have given cryotherapy instrument to the 4 of the institutions, and the reports are very, very positive. And we intend to set up the COPD clinics in next 6 months in the 10 selected high load facilities in the state. That's all about the NPCDCS program. But as far as this NAFLD is concerned, while doing the surveillance, we have done the screening of 8 lakh people in the state of Himachal Pradesh. We are finding that the prevalence of obesity among the plus 18 population is 6.4% in the state. And you will be surprised to note that from 2005-6, as per NFHS, the prevalence of obesity among male and female has gone very high. It is more than 100% in last 15 years time. We were thinking at a point of time that the population of Himachal is very healthy, but it is not true. As per the Health of the Nations report 2016, we are a very high risky zone as far as the NCDs are concerned. We have more prevalence of the mortality and morbidity due to NCDs. It is more than the national average in the state. Though we are able to control tobacco in the state, the prevalence has gone down from 22% to 13% as of now, but there is a sharp rise in the alcohol use. The unhealthy diet is increasing. We need to focus on health promotion, though few steps has been taken by the state government. One is the Tobacco Free Education Institute. The guidelines has been issued. We have a protocol. Another one is the Health Promoting Education Institutes. We have a joint notification by Health and Education Department. We have devised the strategy. And I think that for a longer term strategy, the Health Promoting Education Institute accreditation will work, but lot is to be done. And I am very thankful that Himachal has been selected for this workshop today. And we would like to listen to the IAL, BS people and the representative from Government of India, that how they want to carry it forward from the state level. I would like to say that we are fully committed to take this program forward under the guidance of Medical College Shimla and Government of India. And I assure you that as far as NHM Himachal Pradesh is concerned, we are ready to take a lead for implementation of this program and to develop a model for the rest of the country. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity, and I wish this webinar a very success. Thank you very much.